Okay, hi, my name is Apple. This is my um, submission for Comp140, the diagrams and my controller, as I go put do later. Um, this is my user diagram. You can see the user. All the user has to do is find the cards, place the cards on the reader, and then put the code that the cards generate into the other game. And then there should be really a finished part here, but I forgot to put that in. Then this is my sequence diagram. You can see the user finds RFID card, and then um, they place the card onto the controller. The card sends RFID data to the game. The game displays a number, and after the game displays a number, the user could go back and repeat the whole process until they find the end result. And this is my last diagram. I forgot what this was called. You can see I have two dots because these are two different games, but they're linked, as you can see here. Let me zoom in a bit so you can see. I called my game the escape room game, so pretty much the first game starts, displays the cutscene, loads the game with a countdown timer, which is displayed, and then it's just waiting for and then this is just an idle state where it's just waiting for the user to input code. This is a decision where the game checks if the code matches. If it does, it goes congratulations. If not, it just restarts the keyboard and goes and keeps looping until the timer runs out. When the timer runs out, it loads the fail scene. This game starts. The RFID sensors start listening for the tags. In the background, it keeps on checking if there's any tags being read. Pretty much, if it's no, it just keeps listening. If it's yes, then it sends the RFID tag number to Unity. Unity checks the number, then displays the code that the user enters into the game. And that's pretty much it for the diagram side. And this is the Arduino side of my project. This is a car simulation that Andy wrote, where it simulates a RFID tag being scanned by one of my RFID readers. And then this just sends Unity variables like these, and then I've assigned, and then we put them into an array, and then from Unity I assign them every time this array has been called. It randomizes, no, it sees the cards and just puts the number according to it. So if you randomize these cards, it would show up in Unity in a randomized order as well.
This is my Arduino code for my controller. This is the real version of it. It's not working at the moment. This code will let you interface with the RFID cards with the sensors to Unity. And pretty much this concludes the Arduino section of my code.
Okay, this is the Unity side of my project that I've done with the help of my friends. This is the code that me, my friend, and Andy have come up with. Pretty much, these are the private game objects of the number icons, and this is how we interface with the Arduino. And then this line checks updates for the Arduino, and then to see if it's active. If it's not active, then it won't run anything. If it's active, then it will start logging. It will just split the values and so on. Then it reads the string from the Arduino and puts it into an array. And if it's an array, it does something. So if it's array number 0, then it does number 1. If it's array number 1, then it displays number 2. Then if it's array number 2, then it does number 3. And if it's number 4, then it does the 4th number. And that's pretty much it. And here is it running. So In this point, Arduino is sending Unity a code, and it displays the number according to the code. So and then this numbers range from 1 to 4, so it could only be 1 to 4, and not everything, nothing else. So here it is. This is the Unity side done for
And
now.
this is how my Arduino works. I have an RFID card. I have a reader. Where this card would have a unique ID, and when placed onto the reader would read the ID, send it to the Arduino. The Arduino would send it to the Unity game, and then the game would just decode and just place the RFID where it's supposed to go, and and then display the number, and then from there we put the number in the other game. So that's pretty much it.